Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is New Makeup Monday. So today we are going to be trying out a new Nars foundation. This is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I had to order this online. I had a very horrible Sephora experience on the day I was trying to find this in the store. I went to two different stores. Bad experience at both. They were both inside of a JCPenney. I don't know if it was because it was after the holidays or what was going on, but all around bad experience at both stores. How is that possible? I don't know. So I ended up just ordering this online, getting my free shipping. And then we're also gonna try out the Too Faced. This is the Diamond Light Multi-Use Diamond Fire Highlighter. And it comes in a cute little box like this. And then another cute, the product's actually in this cute little box here. And it is so pretty. Let me give you guys a swatch on my hand. It's a very glowy, very glowy. Do you see that glow? Look at that. That's just, it's beautiful. It really is. If you guys want to see me try on these products, keep watching. And before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get updates when I upload videos every Monday and Friday. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so I have already used my Lancome. This is the Antioxidant and Anti-Fatigue Liquid Care. I just use this as a quick little moisturizer. It's nothing heavy, so I leave my heavy moisturizers for the nighttime. Already put on my eye cream. This is the Estee Lauder Resilient Lift Eye Cream. The label has come off because I use it so much. And then I used today the Estee Lauder Matte Perfecting Primer. I just have a couple little samples like this. I will tell you that the only thing I don't really like about this one is that it seems like I have to use a lot. I tried to just do like a pea size that I usually do with like my Smashbox primer, and I actually needed a little bit more than with that product. So that's one thing I didn't really like. We're gonna try it out and see how it works. So today is Nars review. This is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Let's read the specs on this guy. So let's see. Meet Nars' first long-wearing foundation that looks stronger, stays longer with skin recognition pigments for the truest color match and 16 hours of wear. Featuring Nars Skin Optimizing Complex, raspberry, apple, and watermelon extracts for smoother, healthier looking skin. The instructions for use: shake well, and then starting in the center of the face and blending outwards. So let's try that. This one was released on December 14th. I checked the Nars website just to see what Nars says about this product, and Nars is saying that it's perfect for anybody. It's transfer resistant, it's sweat resistant, fade resistant, non-drying, paraben free, alcohol free, oil free, fragrance free, dermatologist tested. So let's give this bad boy a try. All right, this is the shade Duville, and I'm just gonna put a few pumps on my hand. I think I just used like 3 pumps. Sorry guys. Oh, sorry guys. Use my mirror here. So we're gonna blend inward, outward, right? That's what we're doing. That's what they're saying. That's what they're recommending. It's gonna be a little difficult because I'm not used to that. I kind of just stipple around first, and then I kind of do like a more blending, like a circular motions around, but just kind of get the product everywhere with all of my foundations. That's how I apply them. Pretty good match for my skin tone, I would say. Maybe a little bit yellow, not bad. I think I might use just a tad bit more in some of my problem areas, which would be my chin. I've been breaking out like crazy. Okay, not bad. The coverage looks pretty darn good. I would say that, like I said, I think it doesn't look so yellow on the camera, but it does look a little bit yellow in my mirror. But I'll check some different lighting. Go outside, because outside is like the best lighting to check for color. Now I am going to do my eyebrows real quick, and I'll get right back to you guys. Okay. Better get going. Okay. So just did my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna do real quick my Shape Tape. So I do mix shades Fair and Light Medium together because I'm in between and I didn't want to go and buy a whole new bottle. So I'm cheap and I mix the two. I'm a little bit lighter than the darker shade, so I add a little bit more of the light color. Okay, so I just dot this on. I'm just gonna do this real quick. Gonna clear up some of this. That foundation actually covered it pretty well. Some of my acne scars. So I'm just kind of doing this real quick, kind of light today. I am just going to do a light eyeshadow today because honestly, there's just two products that I want to really try out, and I want them to be the show today, basically. So just dot all this in. Don't see any creasing. Actually, it looks really good. I think I might have found my new favorite foundation. My problem lately is that my pores seem to be getting larger, probably with age, and so makeup has just been kind of sitting on the top of my skin, and then you can see all the pores, which is obviously not a good look for anyone. Whew, I look a little pasty in the camera. I just kind of bronze up my cheeks a bit. I might as well contour because I'm already this far in. Just contour real quick. I use this nice little angled brush for contouring because I like to get it right down in that crease. And I'm using the ABH. This is the light to medium contour kit, and I think I will use this color here. I tried the banana color that everyone rants and raves about, and I was so yellow. I looked like I had jaundice. It was horrible, horrible match for me. So I haven't tried it since. However, I will next time, I think, use the banana and like the lighter, what is the lighter color? I don't know, whatever the this lighter color is here, I might mix the two next time and try it out again for setting my under eyes and the rest of my concealer. Okay, so blush today. This is my G5 Morphe. This one is super fluffy. I am loving, loving, loving it. I am going to use my Sephora. Yeah, I will use Sephora. This is the blush palette, and I'm going to go in with this middle one here. It's so, so pretty. And just, I like to start back in here and then work my way down and around. So so that more product gets distributed back in here and not so much up front. You guys, I seriously had to put a very minimal concealer down here on my scars. That foundation seems to have really covered it well. I think I used 4 small pumps the first time, and then I went back in with just a very, very minimal pump. That looks like crap. Don't worry, it's not staying like this. Get buffed out because, whoo, that's bright. Okay, I forgot that I actually, for this video, I wanted to use my Too Faced Diamond Light Multi-Use Diamond Fire Highlighter because, you guys, I searched and searched and searched for this and I could not find it anywhere. So I finally, okay, so what happened was right around before Christmas, I ordered it from Macy's because Sephora had sold out. So I ordered it from Macy's. Days later, Macy's says it's back ordered until February. I was super bummed, super upset. So I went to 2 different Sephora stores in 2 different towns and neither one of them had it. So I just kept on the website, Sephora, Macy's, Ulta, all these websites, the Too Faced website, and finally Sephora had it in stock. I hurried up, checked out with one thing. I didn't even get my samples, nothing. And here it is. Look at this. Look at this cute little box and that amazing diamond inside. This is going to be fun. Okay, so I think for this one, I am just going to try it out with this little brush because I just want to see. Oh, I don't even want to use it. It's so beautiful. Okay, wait, let's swatch it first. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Let's see. Wow. Hold on, hold on. Oops. So we're gonna see how this all lasts throughout the day. For eyeshadow, I'm just gonna do something very simple. I'm gonna use my Too Faced. This is the Milk Chocolate Soleil in the light medium matte bronzer. It's just a little sample size. I'm gonna use that instead of shadow, and I'm gonna use rice paper, MAC rice paper up on my eyelids, up on the top brow bone, and then down. Kind of as a highlighter slash all over. Not worrying about primer today because I'm just keeping it light with the shadow. I'm using my Morphe M332. It's just a cute little blending brush. Today is mostly about the Nars foundation and to see how long it lasts and if I really like it. I also did use that Estee Lauder primer that I'm not too sure about. We will see. I love using bronzer as an eyeshadow just because it's like you don't really have to, maybe if you were going on a weekend trip or something, you don't have to bring like 5 palettes with you. You can just bring this and it, you know, it's multi-use. Hello, it's awesome. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that like it is, and I have been using the Tarte Man-Eater mascara. I don't know if I like it. It's not bad. I was using another Tarte mascara and I did not like it whatsoever. So we're gonna try this one out a little bit more before I can say I like it or I don't. I tend to go for mascaras that have like the silicone type bristles opposed to like the brush type bristles. I don't know why, but it seems like it picks up my eyelashes more and distributes the product better. I don't know if that makes any sense. There are actually a couple drugstore mascaras that I want to get to try, so hopefully I can get those purchased so that I can try them out for you guys and let you know what I think. All right, you guys, so here is the final look. This is the Nars foundation with the Too Faced highlighter. Look at the glow, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna do a close-up. Look at that glow. It's insane. And look at the coverage from the Nars